Hi there, Carl Massy here, author of a few books, coach and strategist, and very soon I'm coming to Melbourne to run a life masterclass, a 2.5-day event that I've been running for a couple of years, and this year is my 20th anniversary from when I dipped my toes in and then the first personal development program for me, which completely changed the course of my life. Huge change. I'll tell the whole story in the life masterclass. Parts of the story are, I used to believe that I was unlucky. I went through life thinking I was unlucky, things happen, and I'm telling these stories of how unlucky I am. And then I did this personal development program 20 years ago, and it caused me to stop and actually turn the lens around and actually look in the mirror and start taking personal responsibility. First, I became aware. There's a lot of times we're not aware of what we're doing right, wrong, or otherwise. So I became aware of these things because I learned some new knowledge, gained some new experience. So I became aware of that. And I realized how much of a part I had in the unluckiness in my life. It was really poor choices. I was making some terrible choices, and if you make terrible choices, you're pretty likely to have some pretty poor results. So I had a series of poor results, and I was blaming things outside of myself rather than taking responsibility and seeing that I had a part in it. And once I owned my part, then I worked out how to have a better strategy. I'm going to be running a webinar leading up to the Life Masterclass, which is I call Decision Making Mastery. And I teach in there some of the specific strategies that we can incorporate into our life to pimp up our decision-making skills to the next level. So for me, I wasn't unlucky, I just made poor choices. When I became aware of the poor choices, aware of my role in it, took personal responsibility, then looked at what my strategy was at the time that got me the poor results, and then looked at a new strategy. So one of the things, I've been working with clients now, coaching for over 10 years. One of the things I'm always working with my clients is I'm looking at what are their strategies. I want to know mindset as well, but what are their strategies? Because if your strategy, you can have the best mindset. You can go, I'm going to so succeed and I'm going to be awesome and I'm going to create these things and have this enthusiasm and passion and ticking all those boxes. But if you're heading in that direction, and the goal is in that direction, it's going to be a long trip around the planet before you get back over there. So, having the right mindset isn't enough. It's having the right strategy as well. So it will take you in the direction of where you want to go and increase the probability of success by a multitude of numbers. So we're going to talk more and more about this, but this idea of going from unlucky to lucky really became me becoming more self-aware and making better choices and learning techniques and tools and strategies to increase my decision-making ability. So that's going to be a big part of the Life Masterclass. If you're interested, if you're up for it, if you'd like some better results in your life, if you'd like to take things to a whole new level, then come and join us as well. So 28th to the 30th of June in Melbourne. Details somewhere or other on this page, or I don't know where this thing is actually posted. Send me a message if you need any more details. Leave a comment down below if you've got any questions, and we'll get in touch with you very, very soon. But otherwise, have a fantastic day and take care.